Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to install your new spot-free rinse system and give you tips along the way. Let's jump into it. First thing you want to do is know where you're going to set up your spot-free rinse system. You got two options. You can go down the more stationary route or the more mobile route. The stationary route, you would set up your spot-free in a permanent location, attach an expandable hose to it that can stretch across your garage or washing bay. The more mobile route, you would use this dolly, and you can put the system on it so that it can be ported around on this dolly. The first installation step is to hook up your cool water feed to your water source. You want to take your cool water feed and draw it out the hole in the back of the system, and then you can connect your cool water feed to your water source like this. The second option, if you don't want to use a conventional garden hose, is you can plumb your cool water feed directly into a pipe in your garage or washing bay. The next thing you want to do is install the drain line. The reason why you need to do this is because when your spot-free makes water for washing, it will need to expel bad water from the system. You want to take the drain tube, as shown, and put out the same hole as the cool water feed. And then you want to take your drain tube and install it into a floor drain, a utility sink, or any other drain you have within your garage or washing bay. Next thing you want to do is install your hose into the side of your spot-free. We recommend that you use an expandable hose with your system. We offer a high quality expandable hose on our website for purchase. Now they have everything set up, you're ready to turn on your water source. After you turn your water on, you can expect your system to take up to 48 hours to completely fill. And once it's full, you can plug it in. When you plug it in, you can expect to hear the pump to turn on until your hose expands. Once the hose is done expanding, the pump will turn off. Now, we're going to give you a couple tips on how to get the most out of your spot-free experience. First, you want to wash your vehicle in a shaded area out of the sun. Second, you want to wash your vehicle in quarters or halves so you can wash away the soap before it dries. The last step, once you're done washing your vehicles, is you want to unplug the system and make sure you drain your expandable hose completely. Thank you for purchasing a spot-free rinse system. If you have any questions or concerns, you can check out the website and phone number in the description below. Have a great rest of your day.